Hi,
Merhaba.
my name is Ercan and I am living in Çanakkale in Turkey. I'm not a carpenter, woodworker or designer as profession. I had a passion for making wooden items and furniture since I was young. In the last couple of years, I started to realize my passion by doing woodwork as hobby in my workshop in my farm. My intention for this channel is to share the fun and the love of doing woodwork and crafting new items from recyclable materials. My videos are for entertainment purpose and are not meant to serve as tutorials. I recommend you turn on the subtitles while watching my videos. I hope you enjoy watching my work, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.